Okay, everybody. Woo! This is some sand. Glad I did not pull over here. Anyways, we are out in Wonder Valley off Amboy Road. We're going to look at the piece of art called Respite? I don't know. Google Maps pronounced it as Respite. It's created by Kate Lee Short. And it's just like a structure out in the middle of Wonder Valley. It's about a quarter mile, eighth of a mile, I don't know, off Amboy Road. So it's a little bit of a walk. We're heading, oh, people drove out there. I guess you had to drive out there to get the supplies out there. It's quite a big structure. You can see it. That is looking, it's looking south, getting a little punchy here in the heat. It's pretty cool. It's a short little hike, just a walk. I don't recommend doing this during the summer. It is warm. It's very hot. Oh, there's a road. I think I could have driven this. Okay, well, if you got a truck, you can drive it in here. So, I think the artist's name is Kate Lee Short. I think she was working with high desert test sites, or maybe she was doing a residency with them. But I'll get more information up on the screen about this. Bigger than I thought. I've seen pictures of it online. It is warm out here. I've never seen so many dust devils out in Wonder Valley. I saw some rain out in the distance. It was raining back in San Diego just a little. Oh yeah, this is going to be a short video. It's a little warm. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. We're really close to Sheephole Pass. Right over there. It's looking towards Arizona. Obviously, that's looking towards Palm Springs, way out there. Okay. It's interesting. It's weird. Yeah, I could have driven here. Nice. Bunch of gravel right there. So it looks like it's just a structure that's dug in the ground. Seeing if there's any rattlesnakes in here. Let's see. There's a lizard. Oh, it's cool in here. Wow, this is... super interesting. It's quiet. Nice and cool. I gotta get back to the car. This is warm. Okay, that's pretty cool. Like I said, I'll get more information. I'll post it on the screen when I get home. Okay. I need to get back to the air conditioning. I'm already making heat decisions. Ooh. Pretty cool. Okay, let's get out of here.